You know what this is? It's my cheap dollar store X-Acto knife. But do we know what this is? And then we know what this is? Mailbag packages. Stuff I bought month and a half ago. Some good stuff here. First of all, we're going to give a good shout out to ZinAmp from the UK there. I was surfing his website on Facebook, and then he said, hey, I got some PCBs. So I said, hey, can you send me some? I'll buy them. And then I started searching his store, and I went, oh, never mind. I'll just buy them all because I want some tube amps and different kinds of other amps. And so he sent me a package. And it's been in, looks like it's been in at the border under investigation for a while there. So let's get into this and have a look. Oh, haven't built a tube amp in years. I had a really nice tube preamp. That's what this is in here. Maybe 8 years ago, but had a problem when I was moving. Someone broke into my house, stole a whole bunch of my audio stuff, so I had to restart all over again. So that's what we got here. Whoa. Oh, no way. He sent me the tube sockets with the PCBs. Awesome. There's one. I'll take some better pictures and put it in the YouTube video here for you guys. But awesome. Thanks, man. Thanks, Nick. His nickname's Nick. What else did we get? We got both of them with tube sockets. Sweet. I can't wait to build this. So these are 2 mono blocks. So 2 to make stereo, obviously. So we got those 2. Oh, he sent me some DC blocker boards too. Oh, DC blocker. And what's this one? Earth Hub. USA replace R1 with wire. I'm going to assume these are both the same. Earth Hub. Okay. I'll have to look that up, but maybe I'll put that in my next video because I don't know what those are because this is a surprise. So we got those. What else do we get? Oh, the solid state preamp. Yep, because I wanted one of those. I want to, I'm going to build the 2 preamp, solid state. What are these? Oh, these must be, what does this say? Oh, these are amplifier boards. Yep, Class AB amplifier boards. Looks like we use ZinAmp. Oh, I wonder, guys, you know what we should do? Move my laptop over here and let's check this out. Trusty nice Lenovo here. So let's go to his website. What do we got? Zen Amp Modules. So this, where does it go? This one? Yeah. What do we got? Simultaneously Class A power amplifier. An exceptionally high-quality single-channel power amp module for driving passive speakers, loads between 4 and 10 ohms. A hex FET Class A stage drives more BJT stage B, removing crossover distortion and providing Class A sound with Class B power. Oh, that's why. So maybe the front end is Class A and the output is BAB, so that's why. Okay, yeah, sweet. And what do we got here? We got the high voltage regulator supply. I'm going to say that those, that's probably for the tube amp. And low voltage drive power supply. Yeah, that's for the tube amp. So this is all the tube amp stuff. That's for the that. What else did we get? We got power amp regulated supply board. I'm going to assume that's for these. Might be assuming, making an ass out of myself. Sorry. Oh, here we go. This is the regulator board for the solid state preamp. That's awesome. And what else did we get? Solid state phono amp. I'm not too sure if I ordered that or not. If I didn't or did, awesome, because I got lots of stuff to build. Right on. Thanks, Nick. This is going to be sweet. I'm excited. I think I'm going to try to build these tube amps. Oh, yeah. I'm pretty excited about that because I've been wanting to build some of that kind of stuff. So I'm going to keep all this together because I have little buckets over here that I put all my boards into. All right. Let's move that over here. The next one is from Stuart, my friend in Australia. Try to grab my little trusty old. I know this one's been about a month or two because I ordered this way before Christmas. When did he ship this? Does it say? No, he shipped this 20th of January. Or, yeah, I would have to say. Whoa, holy crap. That's a lot of freaking PCBs. Look at this, guys. We got some MPSA 18s. Sweet, thank you. Oh, what's this? Ground lift boards. Nice. Yeah, yeah. Transformers without snubbers with math. Okay. Okay. What's this one? This is a... Oh. This is his PCB to do checking with the QA 401. Right there. This guy. So this... if I build this up, goes with this. And I remember this was used for changing the op-amp injection baud plot analyst board. Okay, so that's for this. Let's try not to get those mixed up. What else do we got here? We got this. 2 0 rail, 2 0 volt rail. I'm not too sure what this is. This looks like a star ground board maybe because it's just one trace. I'm going to have to say that's a star ground board. That's pretty cool. We got some KSC 1845s. Oh, I know what these transistors are for. These are for this board right here. This, my friends, we'll open up in a second. Okay. Oh, this was the special little board he sent me. This is a voltage divider board. I'll take pictures of this for you guys and put them in the video here. I'll have to ask Stuart first before I make the video, and then I'll put a description in there. I'm not too sure if he's going to sell these or not, but this is a voltage divider board that has a BNC connector on the back, and then it screws into the front of this. And then your scope probes, or these probes, will go to the front of this, so that way you can divide the voltage, so that way you can test amplifiers with higher power. Because these will only go 20 volts RMS, 56 peak to peak, and I think that goes maximum of 150 watts, maybe a little bit more, 300 watts max. I'd have to look up my sheet there, but as we were talking, he's like, oh no, I'll send you this so we can test more higher powered amplifiers. So I got that. What else did he send me? Oh, the speaker protection board. But I've got my own speaker protection board times 2. I've got 2 different versions. So I remember promising him I'm going to send him both of these when I've got them fully tested and working. And he can try one. But this is his version. Nice little board. It's nice, compact. Looks pretty nice, clean layout too. I like that. Good job. Oh, this is a nice, look at the size of this thing. This thing's huge. I'm going to have to use this with my Honey Badger amp. Oh, did I just tell you what that amp is? Oh well. So these are using, looks like screw terminal caps. Haven't used those in ages because I like stuff that solders to the PCB, but that's for that. So let's put these transistors in here so we don't lose them. Those are here. That's here. Oh, I love mailbags. That's awesome. Thanks very much, Stuart. So these, I remember buying these, telling Stuart I want to buy these from him. So I know that these were coming, but I didn't know all this stuff was coming. So this must have been a little surprise. It's awesome. Thanks very much. So let's have a look at these. See if I can cut my finger off tonight. That'd be cool. Saran wrap doesn't cut too well. Mailed these and protected them very nice so that way the boards don't rub together and scratch and destroy themselves. Because you know how the shipping companies are, especially postal companies. They just don't give a crap. Look at these honey badger boards. Oh, these look nice. I'm not sure where. I think he got these from DIY Audio, maybe. Yeah, DIY Audio, DIY AB amplifier, Class AV power amplifier. Oh, nice. I like those. There's a picture there, guys. That's pretty sweet. Oh, it's got an inductor on there. Okay. Cool. Guess I'm going to have to start buying parts for all these things now. I got so many amplifier boards now, I don't even know what I'm going to do. Too many projects. Way too many projects. I'll keep this like this. Awesome. Thank you. Thank you so much there, Stuart. I will have to start sending him some project PCBs too, because only God knows that I have boxes of them down there in my room. So, thanks very much to Nick and to Stuart. That's awesome. I'm going to start building this. Yeah, hopefully I can start ordering some parts in the next couple weeks here. Maybe less, because I'm going to work on the Elf Mini PCBs. But yeah, quick little video for you guys. Thanks for watching. Maybe like the video, put some comments on there. Maybe you guys can tell me which amplifier you want me to build first. Maybe the Honey Badger or the Tube Preamp and all that stuff. So, sweet. That's pretty sweet. Thanks very much, guys. And have a good day. The snow's gone, or it stopped snowing at my house, so I might go outside and do a little more shoveling in the snow. So, have a great day. Talk to you later. See you later.